Welcome to the mini story for a kiss. In this lesson, I will ask many questions. You must answer every question. Answer every question. Pause your computer or pause your iPod. Answer the question. Then play again. It's very important. Very important. Answer every question. Okay, let's start. A kiss. Carlos bought a new car. Did Carlos buy a new car? Yes, of course. He bought a new car. Did Carlos buy an old car? No, Carlos didn't buy an old car. Carlos bought a new car. Did Carlos buy an old car or a new car? A new car. Carlos bought a new car. Who bought a new car? Carlos, right? Carlos bought a new car. What did Carlos buy? A new car. Carlos bought a new car. Was the car expensive or was the car cheap? It was expensive, right? Carlos bought a very expensive car. Did Carlos buy an expensive bicycle? No, he didn't. He didn't buy an expensive bicycle. What did he buy? He bought an expensive car. Was the car small? No, it wasn't small. He bought a huge car. Very, very big car. How big was the car? It was huge. It was huge. Was it a huge bicycle? No, it wasn't a huge bicycle. It was a huge car. Who bought the huge car? Carlos. Carlos bought the huge car. What color was the car? Was it yellow? No. What color was the car? Blue. It was blue. It was a huge blue fast car.